All right, our warnings report is one of the most popular one because it shows you very complex information in a very simple way. So when we look at the warnings inside of Revit, we can do so by going into Manage and Warnings, and it's kind of the worst possible user interface you could create. And so this is just a fantastic alternative. We can filter the warnings to only look at certain models. Here we see where the errors are in which model. And if we drill all the way up, we'll see, for example, that the architectural model has the most amount of errors. And when we drill down, we start to see the severity of the model. We can also use this graph, for example, to focus on only the high, medium, or low severity issues in all of these models, and it's going to affect the 3D graphic as well as the matrix down here. Another thing that's worth noting is that the super long warning messages from Revit have been renamed under 7 to 10 characters so that it's a lot more readable. So here you can see the original message, but this is going to be a much shorter version. And whenever you're looking at these things, like for example, this warning is elements that are in the same place. What you can do is you can keep drilling down and seeing exactly which element are in the same place. So you'll have the typical category, family, and type, and you can see it all there. And lastly, one very important aspect of this report is this little combined Revit IDs here. So whatever the selection is going to update the Revit IDs. And the way I can use this is, for example, these 218 light fixtures are on top of each other. So here I can come in here, copy the value. So here in Revit, I can go into the Manage tab, select by IDs, paste all of my Revit IDs. They're already separated by semicolons, and now they're going to be selected. So 218 of them are selected. I can go isolate the elements, and here we have all of the elements on top of each other. So I can decide at this point which one I want to delete and just fix my model with the report hand in hand with Revit. So that's it for the warnings report. Talk to you soon. Cheers.